in the kitchen getting ready to cook, y'all. Oh, this is another edition of plus size fashion for the day. Plus size fashion for the day. Yeah, I'll be in there dancing. I'll be calling myself trying to learn them line dances. They got a new one out by Cupid, but I've been here, y'all. I only want you to love. I don't hurt nobody. Yeah, that's all I know. Nobody ever loved you. Do y'all know them? I only want you, and then I just revert that to the I only want you to love. That's how you do. You know that's how you do when you don't really know the dance, and you be like, I only want, or you do the two-step. I only want you to love. I can't hurt nobody, yeah. Nobody ever loved you. I only want you to love. Don't be no hater. I am ever a hater. How was y'all day at work today? I got me some meat on here, y'all, for some tacos. If y'all watch my, if y'all my Facebook friends, I put up a real early talking about I was gonna make me some tonight. Making me some tacos. Are y'all having tacos this fine Taco Tuesday? Let me get this lettuce out of the refrigerator and some tomatoes. Lettuce and tomatoes. I only want you to love. You want to have some tomatoes? I don't think I got. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, no, these are bad. I might just salvage some of this one. Oh, man. Ain't nobody got time to be throwing away no produce. Man. See if I can salvage some of this one. That one is bad. I don't eat tomatoes like I used to. You know, I used to eat them like I ate, what I'm trying to say? Like I ate, cucumbers. However, you know, they say they really ain't good for arthritis, so I eat them here and there. But I do miss eating sliced tomatoes and stuff all the time, I tell you. I love my little gadget too, y'all. It comes in handy. Of course, you can do the same thing with a spoon. Did y'all have a good work day today? A good work day today at work? Let me turn y'all around here. I gotta wash these tomatoes off. And wash this lettuce. Wash this lettuce. Yes. Whew. What y'all cooking? I asked y'all that, didn't I? No, I didn't ask y'all what y'all was cooking. I asked if y'all was gonna have y'all some tacos too. So that's what I'm gonna have here this evening myself. Let me get a little plate out right here. Put them on. Huh? Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Well, honey, you need to go on. If you would go in the office and work, you ain't got to work in the living room. That ain't your personal office. You can go in the office and work. I got to be adjusting myself when I get off work for your benefit. I don't think so. You supposed to be working. You ain't on no lunch break, are you? Yes. Who take their lunch break this late? You should have took your lunch break before I got home. Well, you can always go in the office. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to cook and do my thing up in here. Y'all see what I have to go through? Y'all see that? A whole bunch of mess is what I do. I have to go through. I really don't have to get me another lettuce. I'm gonna let lettuce, y'all. This is a green leaf lettuce. Only thing about, I like the shredded lettuce, right? But the only thing about getting the shredded lettuce is I never use it up, and some always go bad. Because I really don't like that. Half the time they don't have the romaine on the shredded, right? So I end up not, it end up going bad. I'm just going to dry this on some paper towels today. Because I ain't doing that much. I'm just cutting it up for the, what I'm trying to say, for the tacos, you know. Y'all, got me a little bit of watermelon right here. I'm going to cut it up too. I sure hope it's sweet. Sometimes I buy these little bitty ones and they don't really be sweet, but it be enough for me. Because sometimes, you know, I don't be able to eat it all. I'm just putting y'all back over here. Folks talking about they on their lunch break and things. Whatever. I'm off work. I need to be able to have some peace when I get off. I only want you to love. That song stuck in my head. Y'all be like me up in the kitchen. I'm all cut off. Because, of course, I ain't got y'all fixed right as per usual. As per usual. You know how I do. Y'all just bear with me. Just bear with me. Anyway. You know it don't take long to do no tacos, no ways. That's the beauty of doing tacos. I got some cucumbers in there already sliced. So, you know, I'll eat cucumbers on mine. And some. So I will I'll use those I already got. I said I was going to try to make me some. In fact, ain't no trying to it. I'm going to make me some for tomorrow for my lunch. I'm going to make me some. My friend told me she had me some chips. I need to call her. Some Quest chips. But I'm going to make me some tortilla chips. Because I think for my lunch tomorrow, I'm going to have some nachos. But I'm going to use a couple of those low-carb wraps. And I got some nacho cheese in there. And I'm going to take some meat. And I'm going to... See, it didn't take long to cut that up. I'm going to have me some nachos for my lunch tomorrow. So I will do that shortly. And then all you do is, you know, you cut them up into strips, right? And then you, what's the name? You, put some avocado oil or some olive oil or something on them. And, some salt. And this is the salt I use. I just use the sea salt. You just put some salt on them, right? And, and cook them in the air fryer. You don't want to leave them on about 3, 4, 5 minutes. Them little thin strips, you don't, cause you don't want to burn them, you know. And make your own low carb chips. Or alternatively, you could just count out you a serving of tortilla chips. Okay, the lettuce is ready. The lettuce is ready. I'm not finna eat right now anyway. Whew. I was running a little behind schedule this morning, y'all. I woke up at 3 something this morning. At 3 something this morning. And I couldn't hardly get back to sleep. But I had taken a half of a pain pill because I told y'all I've been struggling with my knees. So, yeah. I took half of a pain pill, right? And so they had me kind of groggy. Y'all, so I did doze back off, and I woke up. I don't set an alarm because, you know, I thankful to God wake me up at around the same time, 5 o'clock hour in the morning. But anyway, I ended up waking up at 6:39. So I had to hop up, get ready, get dressed. But I still got to work before 7:30. And what am I looking for? Wrong thing, wrong thing. Get it together. Now I need some taco seasoning. So yeah, I ended up getting there at 7:30. And it was just 3 of us the other day, my manager and my other coworker, the colonel, and me. And so we were there. They done put the mask mandate back in for us. So I don't know if they got some heavy cases or what. I'm putting a little water here, y'all. Heavy cases or what, you know. So that I don't know. But I be in my office anyway, in my desk, so I don't be roaming around now until I have to go to the restroom. Let that cook down. Get that seasoning in it. Close this up. Like I said, I'm not gonna eat now, no ways. Not right now, anyway. Just get it ready. So when I do get ready to eat, it'll be ready to go. Ready to go. You know, I clean up as I go because I don't be liking a whole lot of dishes either. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my watermelon. Oh, y'all, it's one of these. You taste it. I ain't had no yellow skin watermelon in years. Boy. Y'all have a bite. It's quite delicious. Okay. Well, that was a surprise. Of course, I wasn't expecting that. So that was quite nice. Quite nice. So I'm going to take me some nachos. And guess what else I'm going to have tomorrow for my lunch? You got it. You got it. I'm going to have some watermelon. I'm going to have some watermelon. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Do y'all like yellow skin watermelon? It's quite good. Quite tasty. But like I said, it's been years since I had some, so it was a nice little surprise for me. Surprise, surprise. You know, Goon Pie used to say that. Surprise, surprise. Ooh. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Ooh. Y'all, believe it or not. Ooh. I ain't got nothing to be dropping now. This little watermelon, really, you know, I like it cold. It's kind of room temperature now. I like it, but I could eat it, but it's going to have to get cold for me. I think I asked y'all that before. Do y'all like y'all watermelon cold, or do you like it, you know, room temperature or whatever? I like mine cold. I'm going to show y'all. This little watermelon, y'all may not think it is, but these little bitty mini watermelons, ooh, I dropped a piece. Oh, you got no watermelon be dropping? I'm going to show y'all. You see that little watermelon? It's got one of them whole, like, it's nice little amount of watermelon out of that. I think it was like 2 something. And so I can't complain because y'all know I'll pay for me some cut up watermelon. It'd be $5 or something. Sometimes $7 or $8, depend. But Piggly Wiggly be having some good watermelon. They be sweet. I only want, yeah, let me get off here. I'm gonna go sit down somewhere. That meat gonna be ready in a few minutes. I'm gonna turn it off so when I do get ready to get up later on and eat dinner, all I gotta do is put that thing together, put it together. I'm gonna make my chips for my nachos later on because they don't take, like I say, but a few minutes in the air fryer. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me. I hope y'all having a good Tuesday, and I hope y'all having a Taco Tuesday. Underlay. I don't even know if that go together. But anyway, I want y'all to have a good day, good night. I want you to know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love y'all. Bye.